Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create cutout transition using CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on new project here, and then you can choose a video that you want to edit. I'm going to choose this video, and I'm going to import this video to my project. Okay, and then you can split your video guys. You can split your video on the part that you want to add transition to, and then I'm going to add transition to this part. Wait, okay, right here, and then I'm going to click on my video and then select split, and then I'm going to freeze the video. You can scroll all the way to the right until you find the freeze option. Okay, it's here, and then I'm going to make it as an overlay. So go to the overlay, and then I'm going to place it here, okay, before the split. Okay, you can place the clip right here and then adjust the duration. Okay, and then we're going to remove the background of this clip. So you can go to the background remover option. And if you don't have CapCut Pro, you can choose custom removal. But if you have CapCut Pro, you can use auto removal. Okay, now the background has been removed, and now it's time to add animation to create cutout transition. I'm going to go to the animation. You can select the clip, and then you can choose animation and go to the in animation, and then you can search heartbeat animation. Wait guys, I'm trying to find the animation. Okay, this one, heartbeat gacha, and then you can customize the duration according to your needs and click on the check mark, and then let's play it. Okay, but I'm just going to make it short. Okay, and then you can keep adjusting guys until you're satisfied with how it looks. You can also apply another animation if you want, but for me I like this animation. Okay, so it will create something like this, and I'm going to cut the first part. Oops, and I'm going to place it here. Okay, so guys, just adjust until you're satisfied. All right. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create cutout transition. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.